Zebronics power extension sockets offer several benefits, including squared, cubed, multiple socket options. Various models come with 3 to 8 universal sockets, accommodating different plug types and devices. Overload protection. Many models feature thermal circuit breakers or overload protection, ensuring safe usage and preventing damage to connected devices. Long cable length. Options range from 2 to 5 meters, providing flexibility and convenience in placement. USB ports. Some models include USB ports for charging devices, such as the ZEB PS5320 USB Plus with 2 USB ports. LED indicators. Many models feature LED indicators, showing when the power is on. Off switches. Convenient switches allow for easy control over power supply. Durable design. Zebronics power extension sockets are built with high-quality materials, ensuring durability and reliability. Wall mountability. Many models can be wall-mounted, saving space and reducing clutter.